Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the essentials: client ID, client secret, redirect URI, authorization, and token endpoints. Once done, open Postman and choose a request. Set authorization to Oauth 2.0. Enter the client credentials and the redirect URI exactly as registered because mismatches cause failures. Then click Get New Access Token to start the flow. This triggers the provider's consent screen and returns an authorization code that Postman can exchange for an access token. You now pick the appropriate grant type: authorization code for user consent, client credentials for machine-to-machine, or another per your API. Make sure to specify scope and a state value to prevent CSRF. This is why state matters for security. Choose how Postman sends client auth, header, or body, because some providers reject one format. After the provider redirects back with a code, Postman exchanges that code for an access token, and you should save it into an environment variable for subsequent requests. You finish by applying the access token to your request. Choose bearer token so Postman sets the authorization header correctly. If the token is short-lived, use the refresh token flow to obtain a new access token. Configure Postman to handle refresh automatically when available. If something breaks, inspect error messages and compare the redirect URI, client ID/secret, scopes, and grant type to your app registration. Often the mismatch or missing scope causes the failure, so correct those and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.